channel. Maggie presents School Bag Things. Number 1. Bag. Bag. Number 2. Water bottle. Water bottle. Number 3. Lunch box. Lunch box. Number 4. Books. Books. Number 5. Notebooks. Notebooks. Number 6. Pencil. Pencil. Number 7. Eraser. Eraser. Number 8. Sharpener. Sharpener. Number 9. Scale. Scale. Number 10. Compass. Compass. Number 11. Glue. Glue. Number 12. Tape. Tape. Number 13. Pouch. Pouch. Number 14. Colors. Colors. Now, pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale, compass, glue, tape should be kept inside pouch, and then water bottle, lunch box should be kept in one area, and books, notebooks, pouch and colors should be kept in another area. This is how one should pack a school bag.